resolutions that is passed today is we had a huge area amounting to about 10,000 square meter area at Malvad next to Victor Hospital, and it was that time acquired by the council as a parking lot. All the numbers are over here, and the audit this time raised an objection saying that why is not being utilized for such a long time. So and when our survey was going on now, we have realized that there are a couple of houses there are a few houses, not couple of houses, about 7 or 8 houses which were always there. It is not that they have newly settled in that area. So and now earlier it was a parking lot, but now according to the ODP it is a C1 zone, the prime commercial zone in the city. So this has been discussed, and even when we were raising objection to the regional plan that time, we said that we would like to propose a commercial complex of the municipality in this area, but of course this will be with the plan of rehabilitating the people who are already there, by giving them a small area and develop. We have not really decided the nature of the commercial complex, but it would be something that would get revenue to the municipality also. G Suda has asked us that you give us a proposal and we will do it for you. And in fact now they have a good panel of architects and they have a very good panel of consultants.
फोंडे पालिकेचे बसकेत सोप्याचो विषय जाग्यार घालपाचे थारला. पालिका फोंडेच्या पत्रकारांकय नव्या मार्केटात सुवात दितली.
Another very important issue that we have decided is to resolve the SOPO tax matter. सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की सुरवातीक SOPO tax हो एक वादाचो विशय जावन आशिल्लो फोंड्यान, आनी ते सेटल करपाक खूब आमचे प्रयत्न आशिल्ले पूण जायनासलो. पूण आतां आमचे जेन्ना डायरेक्टरा कडेन डिस्कशन जालें हाजे बाबतींत, जाल्यार तांणी आमकां वाट सुचयल्ली आसा, आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी रेजोल्युशन घेवन आमी ह्या इश्यूचे सुद्दां जाता तितले बेगीन वी वील ब्रिंग इट टू अ लॉजिकल कन्क्लुजन. वी हॅव रिजॉल्व टू सेटल दीस मॅटर एंड वी आर forwarding to the Director of Municipal Administration our proposal, and once the Director gives the approval, we will be able to resolve this long-standing matter. आनी आनंदाची गोष्ट, आमी फोंडेचे जितले पत्रकार आसा तांकां एक स्पेस आमचे नवे मार्केटान दिवपाचें आसा. सो आमचे जे पत्रकार भाव आसा तांकां ही फेसिलिटी जातली की एक कडेन ते येवन जे आपले जे स्टोरीज आसा ते फायल करपाक शकता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस आनी विवेक प्रभू.